Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In last video, we are discussing about how we can create a user and how we can freeze and unfreeze the user in Salesforce. But in today's video, we are going to learn how we can deactivate a particular user in Salesforce. In this video, I will give the complete guide of how we can deactivate a particular user and what are the mistakes happens when we go to deactivate a user. So then what are the importance of deactivating a user? Before starting the video, we need to understand what is the use of this. So sometimes what happened, employee left the company, roles or profiles no longer needed, temporary access removal, security or compliance reasons, we need to deactivate some users. So in that time, use this feature. And also you need to remember one thing, Salesforce does not allow deleting users. Only we can deactivate the particular users. So then what are the important things need to check before deactivation? So if any workflow approval is assigned to that particular user, default owner of the record, scheduled in future activities or event, in that time you are not able to deactivate that particular user. So then what we need to do? So before deactivating the user, we need to transfer the ownership of our records, remove the queues, groups or roles, deactivate the scheduled jobs if it is present. So then how we can deactivate that user? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup. So in here, in quick find box, search users. Open users. Currently, you can see the list of users. So in this list of users, I need to deactivate the user, particular user like Anil Kumar, because he is not working in our company or the role is changed like that. So currently what happened is this user currently in active state. You can see the active box is checked. So I need to deactivate this user. So that's why I click on edit. Previously, we are discussing about we are not able to delete any kind of the user in Salesforce. So that's why Salesforce give an option like active. So currently it is checked. If you click on that, it will automatically becomes unchecked. So if you click on that save, record will be saved. But that particular user is currently in deactive. Means this user not able to log in the Salesforce application. So I hope you understand how we can deactivate the user in Salesforce. If this video is helpful to you, just please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.